Start. Nothing in this section shall be construed to limit in any way, the extent of the provisions of section 465. Stop. Language and contents of judgment are except as otherwise expressly provided by this code, every judgment referred to in section 353 shall be written in the language of the court, shall contain the point or points for determination, the decision thereon and the reasons for the decision, shall specify the offence and the section of the Indian Penal Code or other law under which the accused is convicted and the punishment to which he is sentenced. Stop. If it be a judgment of acquittal, shall state the offence of which the accused is acquitted and direct that he be set at liberty. Stop. Para. When the conviction is under the Indian Penal Code and it is doubtful under which of two sections, or under which of two parts of the same section, of that code the offence falls, the court shall distinctly express the same, and pass the judgment in the alternative. Stop. When the conviction is for an offence punishable with death or in the alternative, with imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term of years, the judgment shall state the reasons for the sentence awarded and, in the case of sentence of death, the special reasons for such sentence. Stop. When the conviction is for an offence punishable with imprisonment for a term of 1 year or more, but the court imposes a sentence of imprisonment for a term of less than 3 months, it shall record its reasons for awarding such sentence, unless, the sentence is one of imprisonment till the rising of the court, or unless, the case was tried summarily under the provisions of this code. Stop. When any person is sentenced to death, the sentence shall direct that he be hanged by the neck till he is dead. Stop. Every order under section 117 or subsection 2 of section 138 and every final order made under section 125, section 145 or section 147 shall contain the point or points for determination, the decision thereon and the reasons for the decision. Stop. Save as otherwise provided by this code or by any other law for the time being in force, no court, when it has signed its judgment or final order disposing of a case, shall alter or review the same except to correct a clerical or arithmetical error. Stop. Copy of judgment to be given to the accused and other persons. Stop. When the accused is sentenced to imprisonment, a copy of the judgment shall, immediately after the pronouncement of the judgment, be given to him free of cost. Stop. On the application of the accused, a certified copy of the judgment, or when he so desires, a translation in his own language, if practicable, or in the language of the court, shall be given to him without delay, and such copy shall, in every case where the judgment is appealable by the accused, be given free of cost, provided that where a sentence of death is passed or confirmed by the High Court, a certified copy of the judgment shall be immediately given to the accused free of cost, whether or not he applies for the same stop. The provisions of subsection 2 shall apply in relation to an order under section 117 as they apply in relation to a judgment which is appealable by the accused. Stop. When the accused is sentenced to death by any court and an appeal lies from such judgment as of right, the court shall inform him of the period within which, if he wishes to appeal, his appeal should be preferred. Stop.